California SBDC's AI Masterclass. I'm Ramin Ramramosi, and I couldn't be more excited to explore the incredible world of AI with you. I'm a small business owner myself, and what I'm sharing with you today are tools and processes and resources that I use to run my business. I'm with you on this journey through the amazing world of AI. In our time together today, we're going to embark on a journey that will change the way you think about artificial intelligence. We'll pull back the curtain on this powerful technology, showing you how it's being leveraged by everyone from solopreneurs to Fortune 500 companies. We'll dive into how you can harness the power of AI to supercharge your business and achieve your wildest dreams. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, get ready to have your mind blown by the sheer potential of AI. We'll explore real-world applications, uncover best practices, and give you tools and strategies you need to start implementing AI in your business today. It's no secret that AI is evolving at a rapid pace, which can be both exciting and challenging for those just starting to explore its potential. As you navigate this fast-changing landscape, it's essential to remember that while the tools may be new, the foundational principles of effective communication remain constant. Whether you're leveraging AI for content creation, customer engagement, or market insights, success still hinges on deeply understanding your audience, crafting compelling narratives, and communicating with authenticity and purpose. These timeless tenets should guide your approach even as you embrace cutting-edge capabilities of AI. At the same time, don't let the allure of shiny new technologies overshadow the importance of human connection. AI may be a powerful tool, but it's ultimately a means to an end, engaging, inspiring, building trust with people you serve. Let's dive in. I'm excited to dive into the topic of AI today because it has genuinely transformed my life and work in profound yet practical ways. And I'm betting that as we move through this masterclass today, you'll start to see how integrated AI has become in your life, and you'll be able to relate to it too. It's not just about ChatGPT and Gemini. AI is so much more. Think about it. When was the last time you used a virtual assistant like Siri to look up information hands-free, or discovered a new product or service thanks to an online recommendation system? And have you ever stopped to wonder how Netflix seems to know exactly what shows and movies to recommend to you? Or as you type out email or text, the platform recommends the next set of words in the sentence? Well, that's all AI. Chances are, if you're like most people, AI has become deeply integrated into your daily routine without you even realizing it. And now with generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, and many others, access to AI and its integration into our daily lives has been taken to new heights. I want to share a personal story from my own journey as a small business owner. In addition to my role as a business advisor at the SBDC, I also run my own marketing agency. And let me tell you, creating content for marketing purposes is essential to our survival. So let's flash back to November or December of 2022. I was doing what I usually do, watching content-related videos on YouTube and trying to stay on top of the latest trends and strategies. And then I heard something that caught my ear, ChatGPT. Intrigued, I looked it up and found myself staring at a simple chat box, prompting me to enter in some information. But what exactly was I supposed to ask? On a whim, I decided to see if it could help me whip up a post for LinkedIn. Now, I'll be honest, I had no clue if I was even using it the right way. But when I saw the output, my jaw hit the floor. Not only was it relevant and well written, but it generated the post in seconds. But that's where the story takes a turn. As tempted as I was to just copy and paste that post and call it a day, something didn't feel quite right. It wasn't really my work, was it? So I did what any self-respecting content creator would do, and I used ChatGPT's output as a starting point and then put my own spin on it. And that, my friends, was my light bulb moment. AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to enhance what we do, to help us work smarter, faster, and more creatively. Since then, I've been exploring all sorts of ways to integrate AI into my content and overall workflow. And let me tell you, it's been a game changer. But the key is to always remember that human touch, that unique perspective that only you can bring to the table. So as you dive into the world of AI-powered content creation, keep that lesson in mind, but never, ever lose sight of what makes your voice unique, because that's the real secret sauce. And who knows, with AI in your corner, you might just find yourself creating the best content of your career. I know I have. From healthcare to e-commerce, AI is being integrated to augment human expertise and decision-making. And it's not just big corporations utilizing AI. Solopreneurs and small teams are adopting AI tools to help them punch above their weight. I'm one of them. The goal of this masterclass is to demystify AI by showcasing how it can create immense practical value regardless of your industry or business size. We'll look at real-world examples and discuss strategies for selecting and implementing AI solutions. So while the concepts here are cutting edge, the applications I'll cover are relevant and accessible to anyone looking to work smarter. As an entrepreneur or small business owner, you already know the importance of being nimble and doing more with less. Well, AI tools can be a real force multiplier, allowing you to automate tasks and work smarter. Now, a quick reminder when using generative AI bots like Gemini or ChatGPT, don't just take the first draft they give you and run with it. Instead, think of it as your writing partner. Use a back and forth process, refining and iterating until you land on the perfect copy. These tools are amazing at getting you 60 to 70% of the way there, but faster. So leverage their power to speed things up, but always stay involved. Put your own unique spin on what they create. That's how you'll get the best results. And the best part about all these tools is that you don't need a computer science degree to use these solutions. The key is to finding the right AI toolkit for your specific needs and having a strategy for implementation. Because here's the thing, you're already competing against the big guys for talent, market share, you name it. AI tools can help you level that playing field in a big way. In the coming sections, we'll explore how AI can become a driving force for your small business, providing you with tools and insights to work smarter, innovate faster, and compete at a much higher level. In this pivotal section of our masterclass, we'll turn our attention to the heart of any business, its team. Integrating AI into the team's workflow isn't just about leveraging new technologies, it's about fostering a culture of innovation and efficiency. First, identify the processes that are ripe for automation. Look for repetitive, time-consuming tasks that can be streamlined with AI. This could be anything from crafting emails to managing customer inquiries or even scheduling meetings. Next, consider AI-driven analytics to enhance decision-making. Tools like Google Analytics and Tableau can now incorporate AI to provide deeper insights into customer behavior, project outcomes, and operational efficiency, helping your team make informed decisions quickly. Collaboration is another area where AI can make a significant impact. Platforms like Slack and Google Workspace are integrating AI to help you revise content, suggest resources, automate updates, and even predict project needs, keeping everyone on the same page and moving forward together. Training is key to successful AI integration. Invest in educating yourself and your team, not just on how to use these tools, but also on the principles of AI and machine learning. This knowledge empowers them to think creatively about new ways to apply AI in their work. Once you've identified which AI tools to use and how to integrate them into your workflow, document the process in a standard operating procedure, also known as an SOP. This can be done in Google Docs or recorded on a Loom video and share it with the entire team. All right, let's run through some more interactive demos that will really bring AI's capabilities to life. Think of it as going from the lecture hall to getting your hands dirty in the lab. Let me tell you a story about Aaron. He founded Campground Coffee with a bold vision: create a Midtown Sacramento cafe where urban coffee culture meets outdoor adventure. Think REI meets award-winning coffee. He invested heavily in an outdoor patio equipped with custom fire pits, creating a space that brings that vision to life. But 8 months in, sales are dropping. Now he faces a choice: boost revenue by 30% or lay off staff. Let's see how ChatGPT helps turn Campground into the iconic brand he's imagined. Aaron's prompt: I run Campground Coffee in Midtown Sacramento. Branding is urban coffee culture with outdoor adventure REI vibes. We invested big in our outdoor space with fire pits, but sales are down. Need to boost revenue by 30% or lose staff. Help me create a Sunset Sessions weekend event series that combines live acoustic music on the patio, special evening menu items, think s'mores-inspired drinks and dessert crepes, and community feel. Okay, let's see how ChatGPT can help. This response looks impressive so far. Very cool. Let's notice what ChatGPT does here. It takes Aaron's unique space, those fire pits and outdoor setting, and turns them into revenue drivers through group bookings and premium offerings. Then it wraps everything into a branded event series that feels perfectly campground. Okay, next, Aaron needs to spread the word. Watch how he uses ChatGPT to create a promotion strategy. Aaron's follow-up prompt: help me create promotional content for these Sunset Sessions that will drive advanced bookings, attract groups, build excitement on social media, include Facebook event and Eventbrite listings. Keep our outdoor adventure theme strong. Right away, ChatGPT goes to work, and in seconds, Aaron has some really strong ideas to work with. Look at this, in just seconds, Aaron has copy for Facebook, Instagram, and Eventbrite. With the event strategy set, Aaron wants to keep customers coming back. He turns to ChatGPT for help with his 5 Stars loyalty program. Aaron's prompt: I'm using 5 Stars to manage our new loyalty program. Help me write engaging descriptions for our reward tiers. Welcome reward: free Sunset Session drink, 50 points, fireside snack pack, 100 points, campground mug. Make each tier feel special and tie into our outdoor theme. Fantastic. Aaron can essentially copy and paste these into 5 Stars and launch his loyalty program. By combining ChatGPT's creative solutions with practical tools like 5 Stars, Aaron has transformed Campground's challenges into opportunities. The patio now buzzes with Sunset Sessions, and most importantly, his team's jobs are secure. 1 year later, Campground has found its rhythm. Sales are climbing, and weekends are consistently packed. But Aaron sees an even bigger opportunity: bringing the Campground experience online and at home through a coffee subscription service. Next, we'll see how another AI platform, Claude, made by Anthropic AI, helps shape Campground's website messaging, subscription product tiers, and e-commerce funnel. First, Claude helps Aaron create 3 monthly subscription tiers. Each level needs to be clear, compelling, and deliver real value to Campground's adventurous customers. Here's the prompt he types into Claude: I need to create 3 subscription tiers for Campground. Think REI meets California coffee culture that align with our outdoor adventure theme. Each tier should offer clear value and be easy to fulfill. Basic tier, 1 bag monthly. Mid-tier, 2 bags monthly. Premium tier, 3 bags monthly. Stay simple, but make it feel special. Excellent outline. Aaron decided to use Claude here because it's particularly good at capturing brand voice and creating human-sounding content. Exactly what he wants for Campground's authentic, community-focused brand. With the subscription model defined, Aaron and Claude craft homepage copy that showcases these new offerings. The goal? Capture Campground's unique blend of artisan coffee and outdoor spirit, while highlighting the subscription options. Aaron's prompt: help me write homepage copy for Campground that introduces our new subscription service. We want to highlight our artisan cafe roots in Midtown Sacramento, our new subscription tiers, our outdoor adventure theme. Keep it concise and compelling. Needs to work above the fold. Claude's response looks really good. Notice how the suggested copy includes his retail location and ties in the outdoor adventure theme. This is actually great web copy. Aaron gives Claude some positive feedback, encouraging a similar response structure in the future. Aaron logs into his WordPress website to update his page with new copy. Notice the Edit with AI option in the WordPress toolbar. Popular tools like WordPress are now more and more embedding AI features. And with just a few clicks, Aaron's webpage is updated with sales-ready copy. Minimal, easy to read, and on brand. Let's check out his updated site. His homepage has a nice big button linking the new subscription service. And the copy on this page looks great. Next, Aaron works with Claude to create campfire stories for each roast, connecting tasting notes to legendary mountain expeditions that inspire our coffee naming. Aaron's prompt: help me write a campfire story for our newest selection. It's a medium roast from Ethiopia's Yirgacheffe region with bright citrus, jasmine, and honey notes. Let's connect it to Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary's first Everest summit. Keep it short but memorable. Keep it concise but vivid. Something that makes people want to brew this coffee before their next adventure. Wow! Claude crafts a story with highly impressive details and almost poetic description for his summit-inspired coffee. Since Aaron's going to use this copy on the web, he wants to shorten this. No problem for Claude. In a few seconds, he has a much tighter, more concise version. Very impressive. Everything feels cohesive, on brand, and subscription ready. For the final piece, Aaron needs a series of social posts to announce Campground's subscription launch. Aaron's prompt: help me create a series of Instagram posts announcing our new coffee subscription service. We need main launch announcement, early bird offer for the first 100 subscribers, individual spotlight posts for each tier, keep our outdoor adventure theme, and include relevant hashtags. Okay, let's watch how Claude helps craft a strategic sequence that builds excitement and drives early signups. These look really good. Aaron will copy and paste these and pair with some high-quality photos to share on Instagram. By collaborating with Claude on subscription design, website copy, product storytelling, and launch content, Aaron has transformed Campground from a local cafe into a lifestyle brand that brings the outdoor coffee experience home. Next, let's see how Google's AI product Gemini helps Aaron streamline Campground's operations. 3 months into Campground's subscription launch, Aaron faces new challenges from rapid growth. Let's see how Gemini helps him tackle these growing pains. First challenge, growing the team. Campground needs to hire people who will embrace their unique culture and maintain quality as they scale. Aaron's prompt: help me write a job description for a subscription fulfillment specialist that emphasizes attention to detail in coffee handling, understanding of our outdoor adventure brand. Strong customer service mindset include culture fit questions for interviews. Aaron uses Gemini's built-in workspace features to add files from his Google Drive that help give a little background about his company. This will help Gemini give him the best starting point for his job post. Gemini used Aaron's prompt and looked through the attached docs to understand his business, and then created a job description that's on point and ready for online job boards like Indeed. Aaron uses Gemini to add this as a note to Google Keep so he can post it when he's ready. He simply types the @ symbol to select Keep, adds some simple instructions, and Gemini takes care of the rest. This looks good. He clicks the output from Gemini and pins this note to his Keep. Next problem, Aaron looks at recent Google reviews. He had a few negative reviews that are raising concerns. While most customers love their coffee, a few low-star reviews mention inconsistent experiences. Watch how Aaron uses Gemini inside of Google Sheets to visualize overall feedback, and then uses Gemini to analyze these reviews, identifying patterns he might have missed. Aaron's prompt, please create a pie chart to show overall sentiment. Easy enough. Getting a quick visual from data is a powerful way to understand business issues. Aaron's going to keep working with Gemini to improve his score in Google reviews. Aaron's follow-up prompt in Gemini. Analyze our recent Google reviews to identify common themes and feedback, areas needing immediate attention, trends and customer satisfaction. We plan to use this data to help us make better business decisions. Aaron switches over to his reviews in Google Sheets to copy all the review data and dump it into Gemini. A quick copy and paste, and Gemini has all the right information to help Aaron generate meaningful analysis from his Google reviews. Great analysis. Gemini spotted some feedback from reviews that reveal he has some issues with shipping. Aaron's going to use this discovery and build out an SOP for his shipping team so they can ensure the Campground Coffee experience is delivered to subscribers on time, fresh, and as intended. Aaron's prompt. Help me create an SOP for subscription fulfillment that covers quality control checkpoints, packaging standards, shipping procedures. Make it detailed, but keep our adventure theme. This is great. Aaron can tweak as needed, but this first draft is quite thorough. It covers packaging, shipping details, inventory management, and suggestions for continued improvement. Aaron adds to keep. And like magic, a new note is created in Aaron's keep. Very cool. He adds it to docs as well, so he can edit this later. Everything from the SOP is now here in Aaron's docs, conveniently editable, shareable, and impressive. With Gemini's support in hiring, training, and customer insights, Aaron transformed Campground's operations. What makes Gemini a powerful AI platform is its extensive integration within Google's workspace. Gemini now powers Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, Calendar, Keep, and other everyday apps inside the Google ecosystem. All right, I know what you're probably thinking after seeing those mind-blowing AI demos. This is amazing, but is it safe? Is it ethical? And you'd be absolutely right to pause and consider the implications. Look, I'm a huge proponent of AI because I've seen its potential to streamline businesses, augment human capabilities, and ultimately improve lives. But I'm also a realist. With great power comes great responsibility and all of that. We simply can't adopt transformative technologies like AI without carefully considering the ethics. From privacy and security to fairness and transparency, there are critical issues we need to address head-on. So let's dive in, shall we? I'm not here to lecture, but to have an open discussion about upholding the highest ethical standards as AI's capabilities grow. Ethical principle number 1, transparency. You've heard the old saying about fearing what you don't understand, right? Well, that's why transparency is so vital with AI systems. We need clear windows into how they operate, make decisions, and use data. It's a two-way street of building trust. We ensure ethical practices and in return, adopt AI solutions with confidence. Ethical principle number 2, unbiased and fair. The greatest AI system is flawed if it exhibits unfair bias, whether racial, gender, or others. As business owners, it's our responsibility to check that bias and uphold equality. And you know what? Having those diverse teams leveraging AI is one of the best ways to catch those blind spots before they ever become an issue. Food for thought. Ethical principle number 3, privacy and security. Of course, we can't overlook data privacy and security. As AI gets smarter and accesses more data, protecting information is paramount. Upholding standards isn't just ticking boxes. It's safeguarding the trust we've worked so hard to build with customers and clients. At the end of the day, ethical AI isn't just about rules and compliance. It's about being good humans and making intentional choices to create a better world. So let's embrace AI's amazing potential, but let's do it responsibly and in service of our highest values. The future of ethical AI starts today with every decision we make. All right, let's talk about something critical for any team looking to integrate and scale AI, becoming truly AI ready effectively. And I'm talking about more than just having the latest tools and technologies in place, but it's really an outcome of some deeper foundational work. We need to start by cultivating the right team mindset and capabilities to put those AI solutions into practice. The core ingredients for an AI-ready team: a culture of continuous learning, empowerment, and ethical awareness. Let me break that down a bit. First up is continuous learning. Look, the AI landscape is evolving at warp speed. What's cutting edge today could be old news in 6 months. So we can't treat AI education as some one and done thing. Whether it's a lunch and learn, online courses, or designating AI hours, we have to reinforce AI literacy across our teams constantly. Not just on the how, but the why, ensuring everyone from the interns to C-suite understands AI's role and potential. Which brings me to empowerment. AI can be this amazing force multiplier, but only if every single person on our team feels equipped and empowered to use it. That means providing hands-on training, creating feedback loops to share wins and learnings, and an openness to experimenting with new AI applications. It's about moving from fear of the unknown to enthusiasm for iteration. Finally, and perhaps most crucially, we need an unshakable foundation of ethical AI awareness and accountability. I'm talking every team member understanding the implications, good and bad, that AI systems can have. Committing to practices that prioritize transparency, fairness, privacy, and social impact with every AI decision and workflow. Because the potential of AI starts with us as humans. How we choose to develop it, apply it, and courageously uphold ethics every step of the way. Becoming truly AI ready won't happen overnight. It's an ongoing process of learning and empowering people and baking ethics into everything we do. But that foundation is what separates the AI leaders from the laggards. So let's get building, shall we? All right, now we've talked about laying the foundation for AI readiness. Let's dive into one of the biggest areas where teams can benefit from intelligent tools: collaboration. Have you experienced some form of collaboration pain? Missed deadlines, crossed wires, the bane of trying to wrangle contributions from a million different places. My friends, those days of team productivity frustration are over, thanks to AI. Think about it. At its core, effective collaboration requires seamless communication, delegation, access to insights, and creative synergy. Well, those just happen to be some of AI's biggest strengths. At the end of the day, we all want to work smarter and cut through the noise to focus on the good stuff, whether that's strategic thinking, innovative problem solving, or just doing work that really engages us. AI can be that for your team. A collaboration co-pilot that brings increased efficiency, connectivity, and freedom to create your best work together. Does that mean you'll never have to endure another surprise all hands or wrestle with setting calendar appointments again? Okay, maybe not that magical. But you get where I'm going with this. When leveraged properly, AI can help teams spend more time in their innovation zone and less in ad hoc busy work, bottlenecks, and fire-killing mode. So while the AI use cases for individual productivity are powerful, the team redo is on another level. We've been talking about how AI is revolutionizing the way we work in this digital age, and nowhere is that more apparent than in the realm of remote collaboration. With teams spread out across continents and time zones, keeping everyone on the same page can be a real challenge. I know this firsthand. My own team spans from California to Italy to South Africa, and let me tell you, coordinating meetings and keeping track of key decisions and action items used to be a nightmare. But then I discovered a piece of software called TLDV, and it changed everything. This AI-powered tool is like having a superhuman assistant that not only transcribes your meetings, but actually summarizes the most important points and next steps. It's like magic. No matter where my team members are located, TLDV makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. Everyone has access to the same information and insights as if we were all in the same room. For a remote team like mine, that's a game changer. It means we can focus on work that really matters without getting bogged down in the logistics of coordination and communication. So if you're struggling to keep your distributed team aligned and on track, try AI-powered note-taking tools like TLDV. Now let's talk about another area where AI is making huge strides: employee training and development. Gone are the days of generic one-size-fits-all training programs. With AI, we can completely revolutionize how we onboard new hires and provide ongoing education for our teams. Imagine this: personalized learning paths that adapt to each employee's strengths, weaknesses, and unique learning styles. It's like having a personal tutor that knows exactly what you need to succeed. That's where AI-based employee training tools come into play. These AI-powered platforms use machine learning to curate customized content for each individual. It analyzes their performance, identifies skill gaps, and recommends targeted training modules to help them level up. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also play a huge role in connecting employees with the right mentors. By matching based on skills, goals, and even personality traits, AI ensures that every mentor-mentee relationship is set up for success. And the best part, AI can track progress and suggest adjustments along the way, so learning never stops. All right, everybody, we've covered a ton of ground on making your teams AI ready and leveraging AI for peak collaboration. But I know what you're all really wondering. How do I actually go about implementing AI projects and solutions within my team? Will it require full retooling, blowing of the budget, nonstop firefighting? The good news is that efficiently integrating AI can absolutely be done without having to completely reinvent the wheel or go through major upheaval. It's all about having the right integration strategy tailored for your team's size and need. So here's my game plan suggestion. Whether you're a team of one, a lean 10-person startup, or coordinating a larger departmental AI rollout. Step 1. Set your AI vision. First, get crystal clear on your objectives. What bottlenecks or inefficiencies are you trying to solve for? Where do you need more insightful data to drive decisions? Getting specific upfront ensures you pick the right AI tools and use cases. Outline those on a document like Notion or Google Docs. Step 2, start with a pilot project. Once you've got your vision mapped out, start with a small, contained pilot project. This lets you experiment and work out the kinks and build skills and confidence, all with lower risk and investment. Step 3, get stakeholder buy-in. In parallel, you've got to rally stakeholders by sharing your AI vision and early pilot wins. Having their backing reduces friction and resistance down the line as you scale. Again, even if you are a solopreneur leveraging virtual assistants, this same methodology applies. Step 4, assess, adapt, and expand. With stakeholder support and your pilot proven out, you're ready to implement for real. But don't set it and forget it. Continually assess what's working and evolving your processes as you glean new insights. Here's a personal example of how my company followed these same steps to resolve a problem we experienced creating content for our business. We start by outlining our content goals for each type of content, from social posts to blogs. Then we use ChatGPT to refine and enhance our outline, ensuring we haven't missed any crucial elements. Next, we document the workflow for each content type. For instance, to create a blog, we use AI to generate topic ideas, then use keyword research tools to find high volume, low competition keywords. We input those keywords and topics into the LLM, the large language model, to create the first draft. We collaborate with the AI, going back and forth until we achieve the desired copy and length. Finally, we add our own details and have the AI review the content for optimization and refinement. This process streamlines our content creation while maintaining quality and SEO effectiveness. As you can see, this is a multi-step process that can benefit from a documented standard operating procedure on what happens, when, and who's responsible, including the AI. The key thing to remember is your first AI implementation is more about finding product market fit than swinging for the fences. You're learning what resonates with your team. Once you've got that foundation of AI usage, buy-in in place, that's when the floodgates open to massively scaling and optimizing your AI capabilities across projects and workflows. And remember, once you figure out your AI workflow, it's important to document it either in writing or even in video, but given how quickly the AI landscape is changing, you'll undoubtedly be updating that process often. So don't overcomplicate it. Take a systematic, phased approach, tailored to your team's unique needs. Who's ready to start putting their integration plan together? I know what you might be thinking. With all this AI involvement, what happens to the human element? Will our roles become obsolete? Well, I'm here to tell you that the future of AI in teams is not about replacing humans, but about empowering them. By automating routine tasks and providing intelligent insights, AI frees up to focus on what we do best, being creative, strategic, and empathetic. And here's the thing. To make this vision a reality, we need to start preparing now. And that means staying curious about emerging AI trends, building our skills in working alongside intelligent systems. As always, keep ethics and transparency at the forefront because as exciting as the future of AI is, it also comes with some big responsibilities. We need to make sure we're developing and deploying these technologies in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few. So as you look ahead to the future of your own team, I encourage you to embrace the possibilities of AI, but also to approach it with intention and care. Don't just adopt the shiniest new tools. Really think about how they can enhance your team's humanity, not diminish it. And most importantly, never stop learning and growing. The world of work is changing faster than ever, and the teams that thrive will be the ones that can adapt and evolve alongside it. So dream big, stay curious, and let's build a future where AI and human ingenuity work hand in hand to create something truly extraordinary. Because when it comes to the future of teams, one thing is for sure, it's going to be one heck of an adventure. We've covered a lot of ground in our time together, from understanding the current landscape of AI and teamwork to developing strategies for effective integration to envisioning the exciting possibilities of the future. It's been quite the journey. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize a few key points that I hope you'll take away from our discussions. First, AI is not some distant abstract concept. It's a very real, powerful tool that is already transforming the way teams collaborate, innovate, and perform. Whether you're a small startup or a larger business, AI has the potential to be a game changer for your team. Secondly, successfully leveraging AI is not just about the technology itself. It's about fostering a team of culture that embraces change, continuous learning, and experimentation. It's about designing human-centric solutions that empower people to do their best work. And it's about ensuring that AI is developed and used in ways that are ethical, transparent, and beneficial to all. Third, the future of AI and teamwork is incredibly exciting, but it's also complex and uncertain. As we move into the era of hyper-personalized experiences, virtual collaboration, and autonomous teams, we'll face new challenges around trust, control, and the changing nature of work itself. Navigating this future will require ongoing dialogue, diverse perspectives, and a commitment to putting human values at the center. But here's what gives me hope. The fact that you've all tuned in and are watching this masterclass, the fact that across industries and around the world, people are coming together to ask the hard questions, to share best practices, and to imagine what's possible. Because at the end of the day, the story of AI and teamwork is still being written, and we all have a role to play in shaping it. So as you leave here today, I challenge you to take action. Start that pilot project you've been thinking about. Share your learnings with colleagues and networks. Advocate for responsible AI development in your organizations. Most importantly, keep the conversation going. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Because if there's one thing I'm certain of, it's this. The teams that will thrive in the age of AI will not be those that resist change, but those that embrace it. Those who harness the power of human-machine collaboration to solve problems, create value, and drive progress. That's the kind of team I want to be a part of. And from the energy and insights you've brought to our discussions, I know it's the kind of team you want to build today. So let's go out there and make it happen. Let's create a future where AI isn't just a tool, but a partner in success. A future where technology and humanity work hand in hand to achieve extraordinary things. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Onward and upward.